Now that it's towards the end of the year, I've fully recuperated from the summer garden. We're all about to start buying our seeds again for next year. I thought I would talk about what I grew this year and how I like them, whether I would grow them again, stuff like that. And I want to start with tomatoes because tomatoes are my favorite thing to grow. Well, they're tied with peppers. Tomatoes and peppers are my favorite things to grow. So first, let's start with the fun ones. I grew, finally, the Black Beauty tomato from Baker Creek. I've been wanting to grow this one for years. I really did love this tomato. At its darkest, it was like pitch black, like my sweater. At its like worst, it was a really dark, really dark purple. I really loved it. I thought it was beautiful. It tasted good. Any black and purple tomatoes, they taste very savory to me, so like not sweet at all. It tastes like a tomato, just a little darker, like richer, saltier. I don't know if that makes sense. If I would grow it again next year, maybe not next year, I would 100% grow this again because I really loved it, but I just don't have the space to do all of my favorite tomatoes every single year. So I kind of have to rotate. So if I had more space, I would 100% grow this again. But since I don't have any space, I'm personally not growing it next year. I forgot to mention, I only got like 5 from my Black Beauty tomato plant. I know like heirloom varieties don't produce a lot per plant, so I only got maybe 5 or 6. I was really happy, grateful for it, but keep that in mind that you're probably not going to get as much as if you grow like a determinate, you know? The Indigo Blue Chocolate, also from Baker Creek. Oh my gosh, I also love this one. It's basically a brown and black cherry tomato. They look like a dark purple in the picture, but I'll insert a picture of what they look like for me. They were really brown. They had a hue, like a black hue, but I thought it was really cool that they were straight up brown. These had like the most unique flavor of any tomato I've ever tasted, ever. They were so salty. Like I said over and over again that they tasted like soy sauce to me. I kind of liked it. And yeah, they were pretty big. They were much larger than like a cherry tomato. So they were, I don't even know what you would classify that as, but they were big, brown, salty. Again, I would grow it again. I just don't have the room to grow it next year. Next, my last like fun tomato was the Black Crim. I have grown this before. This was my second time growing it. I was giving it another chance because I wasn't like blown away the first time I grew it, but so many people love it. So I was like, let me just grow it again. Maybe, who knows? And again, like I wasn't blown away. They're pretty nice sized tomatoes. They are dark purple. You do get the green that you see in the picture. This is pretty much what they look like. Sometimes a little bit darker. And the thing with these tomatoes is that you're not gonna get a ton. So I also probably got less than 10 for sure. I like putting, you know, these kinds of tomatoes in like sandwiches or burgers. Would I grow this again? I don't know. I don't know. Of all the tomato varieties out there, you don't really have the time and space to be growing things that you're not like in love with. So I don't know, probably not. Next, from M.I. Gardner, I grew his Marglobe tomato. Oh my, I am 100% growing this next year, probably for the rest of my life. Like this tomato produced so many for me. I'll post a picture of one of my harvests. It was like majority Marglobe tomatoes. They just kept coming. And they're so cute. They all look like that, like perfectly circle. I just really love the way this one produced. I do want to grow this one again next year. It's a determinate. 75 days to maturity, which is not bad at all. So would I grow the Marglobe again? Yes, and I am. Next, also from M.I. Gardner, is the Roma, just a classic Roma. I will probably grow this again next year. It's also a determinate 65 days to maturity, so there's that. That's pretty quick for a tomato. So yeah, tried it. I liked it. I don't know if I'm growing this one or the San Marzano next year, but like it's a winner for sure.